Hi, my name is Jasper and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about maths, but today's topic is going to be factorization. Like in the name, factorization is where you find common factors. And also a simpler definition is factorization is the opposite of expanding brackets. Expanding brackets is when you solve what brackets you solve and make an expression on what the bracket is inside. But with factorization, you try and make or add brackets. So if you do a variable like AB plus AC and add the A and B plus C, that's just a simple way to say that's factorization. You add brackets into expressions by taking out the common factors, and that's what's going to be multiplying the brackets. Let me show you an example. Let's say 12x minus 18y. We're going to try and find out what are the common factors of 12 and 18. 12's common factors, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. We're going to try and find the highest common factor, which is going to be 6. So now we know that 6 is going to be the number we're timesing by. X and y, they're not the same variables, so we don't add x or y to 6. So write 6. What times 6 equals 12? That's 2. We're going to add the x, because the x is going to stay with that number. And since the operation is minus, we're going to keep it minus. 6 divided by 18, 3, and we keep the y. There we go. We factorized 6 and 6, and then in brackets 2x minus 3y. That's how you factorize. Now let's do more examples. Let's say 3x squared plus 2x. Yeah, the x has been squared. No need to worry about that. Let's say 3x squared divided by x will equal 3x. And that's simpler. So we don't need to add the x. The multiplication is going to be x, then in brackets 3x plus 2. So if we expand the brackets now, the answer is going to be 3x squared plus 2x. So you got to make sure after you finish factorizing, go and check if the answer is the same. Now let's do the other examples. 2a plus 10. Multiples of 2, 1 and 2. But multiples of 10, 1, 2, 5. So the multiplication here is going to be 2. The letter will be a, and that number will be 5. 2a plus 5. Now let's do 20x squared minus 10xy. To solve it, we're going to find the highest common factors. The answer is going to be 10. And we're going to add an x because that's x squared. 10x. We can add 2x here minus that. So then, since that's going to be x, we're going to leave y here. Because when we times, we're going to get 10xy. And then to check if we get the same answer again, 20x squared minus 10xy. But one last thing to finish off. My sister's starting a new YouTube channel called Jemima Moments. Please help her by liking, sharing and subscribing. And this is the end of today's video. But please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.